Hello guys, how are you today? So, this is Risa from Risa's house, and welcome to the channel. So guys, today is a special day, and it's a special day whenever I make smothered chicken. It's my favorite thing. And so I am making smothered chicken, and it's going to be delicious. So guys, I'm going to give it's a southern smothered chicken, but I'm going to give it a Caribbean kick. Yeah. And one of the things that I'm going to use to give it a kick is this here. This is called the Trinidad Scorpion, and it's the hottest pepper ever. It's hotter than the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. It is so hot, it's brutal. And so I'm going to use a smidgen in the smothered chicken, and it's going to be delicious. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. So, guys, I've got here some chicken thighs, and I've washed it with some vinegar, lemon, and some salt. So now I'm just going to pat it dry just to get some of the liquid off, because we want our seasoning to stick to it and not be saturated. So I've cleaned it up. I have left just a little bit of fat on, because when you do that, your chicken will be moist. So you want to take off majority of the fat, but you do want to leave a little bit on. So guys, I've got here today my seasoning. I've got paprika, garlic, thyme, some Cajun seasoning, some poultry seasoning, and Himalayan salt. And I'm just gonna mix this together and pour it onto my chicken. I'm gonna make sure that it's seasoned well, because you know we like our chicken well seasoned and flavorful. Make sure I get some under the skin. Oh yeah. Just make sure I got some chicken seasoning here. We need the skin for flavor. Without the skin, your chicken will be very flavorful. You'll be adding a lot of spices and things to it, but you won't get that chicken, that deep chicken flavor like when the skin is on. You need your skin to be on for real good flavor. So you want to put this now, cover this, and put this away for 2 hours so this seasoning soak in and marinate this chicken real good. Okay guys, it's been like 3 hours, and so guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of flour on my chicken, just a small amount, just to give a little coating here. So I'll just sprinkle this on, and then I'm going to brown it now, because you know we like our chicken with color. We just don't like it blah. Our chicken's got to have color, and color is also flavor. So we need our flavor and we need our color, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna pour some oil in here to get it all going. And we are going to start browning our chicken. Oh, and we'll put this down, skin side down. So we are going to turn this, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Yep. I tell you, color is flavor. Okay, so our chicken is nice and brown. Has some absolute beautiful color. Here is a color. It's absolutely beautiful. Here we go. And so guys, here we have the rest of our season. We've got some red pepper here. Red pepper. We've got some slivers of ginger. I'm adding some ginger. And some Jamaican jerk season. Just a small amount. Onion, some garlic, and some celery. And this is what we're doing here. We are just gonna cook the vegetables. I did put a tiny sliver of the Trinidad scorpion pepper in, but a very tiny sliver, because if you put more than that, you won't be able to eat this at all. It'll be way too hot. So you got to be careful with it. So okay guys, so we are gonna place the chicken back in the pan. And we are going to pour our chicken stock over it. And we're going to cover this and let it cook for 45 minutes. Then I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, it's been 45 minutes and it's all done. And it's delicious. You should smell my kitchen. It is so delicious smelling. This is all, it's literally falling off the bones. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will try this. The full recipe is in the direction box. So have fun guys in the kitchen.